Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing your system and installer. First, back up important files, then create a 48 GB USB installer using Etcher or DD. This gets you ready quickly. Once done, reboot into UEFI/BIOS and confirm boot order, and disable Secure Boot only if needed for unsigned drivers. Next, boot the USB, choose Install, and select Language and Keyboard. You are now positioned to pick the target disk and partitioning mode. Proceed deliberately to avoid overriding unintended data. You now configure the system and personalize settings. If you selected custom partitioning, create root, swap, and home partitions and consider Lux disk encryption for security. This protects data at rest. After partitions are written, create your user account and choose a strong password, and enable automatic updates to stay current. Once installed, open POP. Shop to add software, or enable Flatpak and third-party repos for applications you need. Make sure to install drivers for GPU and Wi-Fi before continuing. You finish setup by rebooting into POP OS and running a full system update. This resolves many early issues. Next, install GPU drivers from Settings or via apt for NVIDIA. Configure GNOME and the tiling extension to match your workflow. Restore backups and tweak power and network preferences. If something goes wrong, diagnose boot by checking UEFI boot entries, disabling fast boot, or booting the live USB to run FSCK and reinstall the bootloader. That one troubleshooting step often restores a non-booting install.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.